Have you ever pondered over the intricate beauty of coding logic? The way a few lines of text can transform into a complex piece of software is nothing short of magic. Today, we'll delve into a simple piece of code and unravel the logic behind each line. Our journey begins with #include. This line is a preprocessor command telling the compiler to include the IO stream library. The IO stream stands for Input-Output Stream. This library allows the program to perform input and output operations, such as printing text on the screen. Next, we have using namespace std. Namespaces are a way in C++ to group named entities that otherwise would have global scope into narrower scopes. Here, std is the namespace where features of the C++ standard library are declared. By stating using namespace std, we're telling the compiler that we'll be using these features without needing to prefix std before them. Then comes the main function, int main. This is the starting point of the program. The int before main indicates that the function returns an integer value. Inside the main function, we have a for loop with int w equals $0, w10, w++. This loop will run 10 times, with w starting from 0 and incrementing by 1 each time until it reaches 9. Within this loop, we have 3 more for loops and a line to print a Newline character. Each loop serves a unique purpose. The first inner loop for int b equals $wb10 b++ prints leading spaces. It starts with the current value of w and continues until it reaches 9, printing a space each time. The second for loop for int x equals $-1 x wx++ prints asterisks on the left side. It starts from -1 and increments by 1 each time until it equals w, printing an asterisk each time. The third for loop for int x equals $0 x wx++ is almost identical to the second, but it starts from 0. This prints asterisks on the right side, creating a symmetrical pattern. Finally, endl prints a Newline character, moving the cursor to the start of the next line. The program ends with return 0, signaling that it has finished successfully. In summary, this code prints a pattern of asterisks and spaces, creating a symmetrical pyramid. It starts by including the necessary libraries and defining the main function. Inside the main function, it uses a loop to repeat a set of operations 10 times. These operations include printing a series of spaces and asterisks, each controlled by their own loop, and finally printing a Newline character. The logic behind each line is a testament to the beauty and precision of coding. A few simple commands, when combined, can create intricate patterns and solve complex problems.